Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm currently at the North Parade Railway footbridge at Mount Druitt, waiting on for the City Stiletto. Of course, being a Thursday, this is a bit unusual seeing a 3-car Xplorer operating westbound at Mount Druitt, heading to Broken Hill for the Broken Hill Festival, celebrating the Australian movie Priscilla, Queen of a Desert. Top Australian flick. And sun is just about up. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I will see you when the City Stiletto arrives. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, here comes the City Stiletto. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I apologise for the sun being waken up. There's not much I can do about it. And also I'm going to keep this one short and sweet. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.